hot bacon. Crispy and delicious. So, yes. So, let's reheat this. And then there we is. And wobbly cam. Not too sure why that's not showing as it should, and why it's showing blue, but right then, so cooking on this little Aga. Right, okay, you've already seen me fry some stuff on here. And as you can see, we've got loads of heat going. You got the smaller rings. Okay. One thing never to do with these things is touch the fucking thing, because if you do, you will burn your ass off. Right. Sorry about that, just adjusting the light a bit. Okay. So, now people will think, oh, you can touch that, but as you can see, we have a lot there. Now, here's the thing. As you can also see, this is browning up quite nicely, very nicely. Give that another 20-30 minutes or so, and that will go. This handle here, what this does is that there is like a little plate that goes in there, and the plate has holes. Okay, so what happens is that when you push it forward, it slides over the hole, and it directs the heat up onto this plate here and up the chimney. When you pull that open, it then diverts the heat into the oven. Okay, now with Aga cooking, it does take a while. That's been in maybe 30-40 minutes. It will maybe take another 20-30 minutes before it's cooked, but it won't dry out, that's the thing, and you'll get this real nice, not wood smoky taste, but what you will get is a very, very different taste to what you get from an electric cooker. So, free heat. In the video that I put up about the bit of clay felling that I did at my house, of the logs, came from that. So I've got free heat. Hang on. So as you could see there. Right, I'll go get some more water. Right, so and you can see over there you don't have as much heat, but here now, as you can see, we've still got water here, see, which is slowly but surely evaporating off. Here, underneath the hot plate, there is a lot of water, a lot of heat there. How much heat is there, I do not know, and I am not going to touch it and find out. You can maybe see that, which is browning up very, very nicely. So I'll just put this back. Grab my cloth. Turn it. Close. So we've got a lot of heat going in the oven as well. Absolutely amazing machines these, but the big danger is wooden floor, any spills, any water, and you will be scarred for life. So these are not good if you've got kids. Oh, perfect. And then let's turn that right down there. And let's have a look at this. Oh my God. That is absolutely perfect. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's good.